Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Yahoo Mail to enable two-step verification. To enable two-step verification for your Yahoo Mail, start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the Yahoo Mail login page. Enter your Yahoo email address and click on the Next button. Input your password and click Sign In to access your account. Once logged in, locate your profile name or profile icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile name or icon to open a drop-down menu. Select Account Info from the menu options provided. In the Account Information section, look for Account Security and click on it. You may be prompted to enter your password again for security purposes. Once verified, scroll down to find the Two-Step Verification section. Toggle the switch to turn on two-step verification. Yahoo will then prompt you to enter your mobile phone number. Input your mobile phone number and choose whether you want to receive verification codes via text or voice call. After entering your phone number, click Send SMS or call to receive the verification code. Check your phone for the verification code sent by Yahoo. Enter the verification code in the provided field on the Yahoo website. Click Verify to confirm your two-step verification setup. Once verified, you will see a confirmation that two-step verification is enabled. It's important to save backup codes, which you can use if you lose access to your phone. Follow the instructions to generate and save these backup codes securely. Finally, ensure that your account recovery options are up to date to prevent future access issues. You have successfully enabled two-step verification for your Yahoo Mail account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.